This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable one of your disabled apps on your Android phone. So I can't find Google Chrome on here under this list. It should be in here. So what I want to do is just go to search, or go to settings, going down to your app list, right here. And we can go to the top right, and we can just go to the permission manager. We don't want to go there. We want to go to where it says reset app preferences. And just reset this. Now, if you accidentally disabled one of your apps under here, it should show up as enabled now. So if I go back to my home screen now, I should be able to see Google Chrome on here. So we just have to accept this just once. I'm using the One UI Home. But if we go back here now, we can see that Google Chrome will be on my phone. It's not in that folder. I'm going to have to re-add it there. But if it's disabled right here, you can re-enable it. So we can bring it back to home screen. We can drag this around now. Now there's another way we can do this. You can see I have the option to disable it right here. If I accidentally did that, I can just go to the Google Chrome app as well. So let's go to Google Chrome under apps. And we can see that it's going to be disabled. As you can see right here it says disabled by it. And we can just go to enable right here and enable it. Boom, it's enabled. And it's ready to go. We should be able to use it now. So we just have to add it to our home screen. So if we accidentally hit disable, that's how we get it back. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.